Hey everyone, another acquisition from my Fanimation group trip that we just did. This is another proud acquisition I was looking forward to. Is this K63 Emerson Heat Fan in brown, or of course we all know them as blender fans. But yep, but as you notice, my K55 and this one both have the plastic blades. So, but one thing about this one, when I got this from Jeff Doctor at the group trip in the parking lot. And one of the things was it was missing downrod and canopy, had blades on the motor. So, what I did was I parted out my Sears Emerson turn of the century, which I had an accident with. And I'm robbing the canopy off of that, and I'm also robbing its downrod. Now I could make this fan any length I want, but I just chose to do that for this video. Other than that, and the other thing I had to do was I added in the 2-speed pull chain that these would have, because this one was originally, I opened up the switch housing and saw it was wired directly to the wires. There's 2 wire leads for the 2 speeds, the high and low, and it was wired to the high to be run as a single speed. So, and I added found a 2-speed pull chain, and now I got the 2 speeds exactly like it should. So I wired it like this. Here's low. This is the first speed. So, and its low is more like a medium. Or kind of like a medium high as we perceive it. So 0.7776 is what it's drawing. These K63s are also known to draw a lot of current. So let's see, watts, 68 watts, and 3/4 power factor. So not quite a power factor of 1 on low, or what I perceive as medium. But yeah, here's medium, and here comes high, and high is just absolutely insane. 1.37 amps, 1.36 amps. Well, I remember Reese's white one that he has in his garage. We tested it here, and high, it drew the same thing as what this one is drawing, so I think this is what it's supposed to draw. I mean, it's drawing the same thing. Close to 1.4 amps. In fact, my 3-blade K63 draws about this. Draws 1.4 amps, and it's a single speed, which is high. All right, let's see, watts, 122 watts. And, okay, and power factor is still 3/4, so it's not quite using everything that it's drawing. It's drawing 1.36 amps, or close to 1.4 amps, but it's only using 3/4 of that. So here's time for spin down. Also, I got the bearings successfully quieted. They were kind of giving a little bit of a noise at first. But airflow, I already know what these do, and it's pretty much in the high category of the K63 or K55 type fans. Any Casablanca. So, This one will also have a long spin down. Yeah. But otherwise, yeah, I was able to do a little bit of restoration on it to basically complete it and run it the way it's meant to be run, which is a 2-speed. All right. Well, time to do the decade box, and let's see where this one starts. Because I remember Reese has also had stiff bearings. So let's see where this one starts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one is starting on 4 with 0.19 amps. Here's 5. At least it starts on 5. I'm going to give it almost a little, I'll give it a little bit. See if this is as fast as it goes, or if this will speed up any more. 0.24 is what it's drawing. Here's 6. I'm guessing this will also use an 8-12-20. Here's 7. And 8. I'm just going to go right to 8. And now I'm just getting a functional low right here. So if I use this on a wall control, it's a perfect low speed. Perfect functional low. Here's 9. And 10. I'm just going to go right to 12. All right to 12, which is medium low right here. Perfect medium low. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18, 19, and here's 20. So this is like a backed off high right here. And if I hit high, I'm sure there's definitely a difference. So I turned off high, back to 1.17, 21, 23, 25. Okay, let's see, I might be over right here. Okay, I'm right on the money right here if I hit high. .36, 1.37. And if I go, yeah, I'm at 24 microfarads. If I hit 25, I'm already over by a little bit. And if I go more, yep, I just continue to go. I'm going over, so 25 is actually as high as you can get, but still an 8, 12, 20 is still best control for this fan if you're going to put this on a capacitor-based wall control. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to do, again, the solid state variable speed control. See what this one is like. These are also commonly put on solid state, so it started right at 3 o'clock. Pretty quiet. Very little buzz and hum, very little hum on this. You have to go right up to it to even hear it. I can't even hear that. I can hear a little bit, but very faint. It's like living room quiet. All right, brought it up to high. Current draw is a little bit under. A little bit under. But still pretty close. Yeah, it's a little bit more under than some others. Okay. The next test. Next test is 0 to high. And let's see what the inrush is. Really no inrush on this one. Ugh. All right. So really, no, barely an inrush with this for what this motor is. Yeah, most K55s and K63s don't really get an inrush. Now remember, there's no reverse on this. But one thing I want to do is I set it to low again. Okay, it's set to low. All right. So what I'm going to do is go through the decade box And if I want to convert this to 3-speed, I could add a third capacitor value in that I wire, that I split with the low speed, which is what it's set to. I'd have a capacitor running through that and then a direct running. 5. Six. Okay, it's a decent low. 7. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna, so that would be your low speed. I have it on 7 right now. And I'm going to hit high to go with its factory low. I mean, this is about close to what high is on my K65 blender fan. So, yeah, I don't want too fast of a low that's close to medium, but this would become the medium speed, and it is it's a fast medium. But then, yeah, to have, a decent low speed. Or I could put an 8 in there. I could add an 8 in and run that. Run like a splitting of... I could split 2 wires in there off of the high speed and run an 8. Somehow I'd split that. All right, but other than that, that is all I have for this K63 Emerson Heat Fan, blender fan. And stay tuned for more fans that I got from Fanimation. And continue to subscribe and watch. And I'll be back with more fans.